Are you ready for 100 rapid-fire animal facts? I bet you don't know all of these, so let me know in the comments which fact surprises you the most. Let's get right into it. A giraffe has the same number of neck vertebrae, 7, as a human, but each is much larger. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated from them. Hippopotamus milk is pink. Polar bears have black skin beneath their thick, translucent fur. An African elephant's pregnancy lasts for 22 months, the longest of any land animal. Kangaroos cannot walk backward due to the structure of their legs and tail. A grizzly bear's bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball. Wombat poop is cube-shaped, possibly to prevent it from rolling away when marking territory. Dolphins use unique whistles, often called signature whistles, to identify and call to one another, much like names. Bats are the only mammals that can sustain flight. Sloths are so slow that algae can grow on their fur. Narwhals have a long, spiraled tusk that is actually an elongated tooth. Manatees control their buoyancy using controlled flatulence. Tigers have striped skin. The stripes are not just on their fur. Rats laugh when they are tickled. Koalas sleep for about 18 to 22 hours a day. A blue whale's heart is about the size of a small car, and its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. Chimpanzees are known to drink naturally fermented palm sap, which contains alcohol. 9-banded armadillos almost always give birth to 4 identical young. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping so they don't drift apart. Anteaters have no teeth and use their long, sticky tongues to lap up insects. A gorilla's nose print is unique to each individual, similar to human fingerprints. Pigs are highly intelligent and can learn tricks as quickly as some dogs. Prairie dogs kiss, touch teeth as a form of greeting, and to recognize colony members. Shrews are the smallest known mammals. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Flamingos are born gray. They get their pink color from pigments, carotenoids, in the brine shrimp and algae they eat. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance.
The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on the planet, diving at speeds of up to 240 miles per hour. Owls do not have true eyeballs. They have eye tubes that are fixed in place, meaning they must turn their heads to see different directions. Pigeons can be trained to distinguish between the paintings of different artists like Monet and Picasso. Bald eagles can dive at up to 100 miles per hour to catch fish. The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, weighing less than a penny. Crows are one of the few non-primate animals known to use tools and solve complex problems. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, traveling up to 44,000 miles round trip each year. Kiwi birds are the only birds with nostrils at the very tip of their long beak. The shoebill stork has a massive shoe-shaped bill and can swallow a baby alligator whole. The familiar twit-to-woo call of the tawny owl is actually a duet between a male and female. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out because it is attached to the roof of its mouth by a membrane. Some species of frogs can be frozen solid and later thaw out and return to life. A chameleon's tongue can be as long as its entire body and is used to snatch prey in a fraction of a second. The tuatara, a reptile from New Zealand, has a third eye on its forehead that is sensitive to light. The inland taipan is the world's most venomous snake. One bite contains enough toxin to kill at least 100 fully grown men. Certain turtles can breathe through their butts, cloacal respiration. The red-eyed tree frog's eggs can hatch early, in as little as 5 days if they sense danger. Snakes smell by flicking their tongue out, picking up scent particles, and then transferring them to a special organ in the roof of their mouth. Axolotls, a type of salamander, are neotenic, meaning they never lose their larval features and can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of their brain. A garden snail can have up to 14,000 teeth, located on a ribbon-like structure called a radula. Butterflies taste with their feet, using chemoreceptors to find suitable plants for laying eggs. If you've made it this far, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more animal fact videos. Cockroaches can live for up to a week without their head. Only female mosquitoes bite. Males feed on nectar and plant juices. A honeybee can flap its wings about 200 times per second. For every human in the world, there are roughly 1 million ants. The world's loudest insect is the African cicada. Fleas can jump 350 times their body length. A tarantula can survive for more than 2 years without food. Termite queens can live for up to 50 years, the longest lifespan of any insect. The praying mantis is the only insect that can turn its head 180 degrees. These can recognize human faces. Scorpions glow under black light due to chemicals in their cuticle. Silkworms produce silk that is 5 times stronger than steel of the same diameter.
An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood through the gills, and 1 circulates it to the rest of the body. And blue blood, due to a copper-based protein called hemocyanin. The male seahorse is the one who gets pregnant and gives birth. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, potentially living indefinitely. The mantis shrimp can throw a punch that accelerates faster than a .22 caliber bullet. A jellyfish is about 95% water and has no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. The colossal squid has the largest eyes of any known animal. Sharks have been around for about 400 million years, predating trees. Clownfish are all born male. They have the ability to change their sex to female to enable mating. The deepest living octopus species, the Dumbo octopus, lacks an ink sac because it rarely encounters predators in the deep ocean. Moray eels have a second set of jaws, called pharyngeal jaws, in their throats to help them grip and pull prey down. Starfish don't have a brain. Their nervous system is spread throughout their arms. The great white shark constantly grows and replaces its teeth, which can number over 300 at any time, arranged in up to 7 rows. Killer whales, orcas, are technically the largest species of dolphin.
Dogs have a sense of smell that is up to 100,000 times stronger than a human's. Cats cannot taste sweetness. Dogs sweat primarily through the pads of their feet. Cat urine glows under black light. A rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and fingernails. Felines, cats, cannot move their jaws sideways. Dogs can only see in shades of yellow and blue. They are not completely colorblind. The Chihuahua is the smallest breed of dog in the world. The largest deer species in the world is the moose. The domestic cat has over 100 vocalizations, while dogs have about 10. Elephants can hear with their feet by picking up low-frequency vibrations in the ground. A single elephant tooth can weigh up to 9 pounds. The horned lizard can squirt blood from its eyes as a defense mechanism. Cows can walk upstairs but cannot walk down them.
The giant tortoise from the Galapagos Islands can weigh up to 550 pounds. Grooming is one of the most important forms of communication for many animal species, like primates and cats. The largest flying bird is the Andean condor. The ghost crab has teeth in its stomach and can growl. The red-lipped batfish is a terrible swimmer and walks on the ocean floor using its pectoral fins. Crocodiles can gallop or high walk on land for short distances. Gorillas burp when they are happy or content. Giraffes hum at night, a sound scientists only recently confirmed. The African gray parrot is considered one of the most intelligent birds, with a vocabulary and understanding similar to a 3 to 5-year-old human. The smallest mammal in the world is the bumblebee bat. The collective noun for a group of walruses is a huddle or pod.
Wow! I can't believe it's over already.
100 facts fly by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tickled Fish, for more animal content.